a thunderbolt or two over there. There's my two. But I already set it off earlier, so I don't think the neighbors would like me if I did it again. Like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, you can hear the wailing and the thunderbolts out there. Yeah, it's a beautiful sound. Might have to go set this off again. Okay, here we go with another siren.